Welcome to the Community Library Puppet Show. I am Miss Corinne, and today we're going to be doing 2 puppet scripts, both by Mo Willems, Piggy and Elephant. One is We Are in a Play, and the other one is I'm a Frog. And today my assistant here is Mark. Say hi, Mark.
Hi, Mark.
So let's get started with our play.
I'm a frog. Ribbit.
Piggy?
Ribbit, 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 ribbit.
What are you doing, Piggy?
I'm a frog.
You are a frog?
Yes.
I didn't know that. I was sure you were a pig. You look like a pig, and your name is Piggy.
I was a pig. Now I'm a frog. Ribbit.
You learn something new every day. When did you become a frog?
About 5 minutes ago.
5 minutes ago? 5 minutes ago, she was a pig. And now she's a frog?
Ribbit.
What if I become a frog, hopping all day, eating flies? Blah.
Ribbit.
I do not want to be a frog.
It's okay, Gerald. It's pretend.
It's the end?
No, Gerald. I am pretending.
What is pretending?
Pretending is when you act like something you are not.
Wow. You can just do that? You can just go out and pretend to be something you're not?
Sure, everyone pretends.
Even grown-up people?
All the time.
You really do learn something new every day.
Do you want to try it, Gerald? Do you want to pretend to be a frog? Ribbit.
I cannot.
Yes, you can. Ribbit.
No, I can't.
Yes, you can.
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 No, I can't.
Gerald, why can't you pretend to be a frog?
Because I'm a cow. Moo!
Ribbit, 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 ribbit.
Moo! The end. Piggy!
Yes, Gerald.
I think someone is looking at us.
Piggy looks at the... Someone is looking at us?
Who is looking at us? A monster?
No, it is an audience. An audience is watching us.
How can an audience watching us? How?
Well, they're hearing what the puppeteers are saying. We are in a play.
We are in a play? That is so cool.
We are in a play.
We are in a play. We are being watched.
We are being watched. Oh, I have a good idea. I can make the puppeteer say a word.
You can make the puppeteer say a word?
I can. They must follow the script.
Ooh, that's a good idea. That is a funny idea.
Here I go. Banana.
Did you hear that? They said banana. Oh, they said it again. Oh, banana. so funny.
Do you want to turn before the play ends?
Ends? The play ends?
Yes, all plays end.
When will the play end?
I will look. About a minute.
A minute? That's too short. Oh, it's already been 10 seconds. This play is going too fast. I have to give more lines, more jokes, more bananas. I just want to be watched.
I have a good idea.
That is a good idea. Hey, audience, will you watch us again, please, next time? I hope they come back next time.
Me too.
The end. So thank you for watching our puppet scripts today. I hope you enjoyed it very much. And then we will come again back next month for another couple scripts. Thank you for joining us, and don't forget, its summer reading program is still going on. So go to your local library and check out some books and do some fun things. Thank you for joining me today. Bye-bye.